Auditions today for Hello Dolly. Good morning, it's Monday, September 19th. I'm Josh Simpson and you're watching the JHS Report.
Sign-ups continue today for the 2005 football homecoming king and queen in court. Good morning, I'm Thomas Bonner. Today is the last day you can sign up to be a homecoming candidate for king and queen or the court. Sign-ups will be held during all 4 lunches in the Commons area. You must have student ID to sign up and cannot have any discipline referrals for this school year. Voting will take place during IRT on the Monday, September 26th. The homecoming game will be held October 7th.
Attention all students interested in auditioning for Hello Dolly. Tryouts will be held today at 2:30 p.m. You must have 16 bars of a Broadway song to perform at that time. If you are trying out for a lead role, you must have 2 minutes of a comedic monologue. Callbacks will be on Tuesday. You do not have to be taking a theater class to be in the show. Contact Mr. Meyer for more information.
The PSAT test will be given here at JHS on Saturday, October 15th. More information will be coming to sophomores and juniors during IRT, and sign-ups will begin after I-STEP testing is over. Student Council will meet tomorrow immediately after school in room 305. The meeting is mandatory and attendance will be taken. All Student Council members need to be there. Tri-High Y, a fun and enjoyable service club, will meet tomorrow after school in room 506. See Mrs. Oglesby for more information. If any student is interested in attending the book club this year, they need to sign up in the main office on the sheet provided. The first art club meeting will take place next Monday, September 26th from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. They will meet in room 607. Any questions, see Ms. Struck in room 607. If your class, team, club, or organization has an announcement for the WJHS report, please put it in the box in the main office and we'll get it on the air for you. And now for today's Did You Know question. How fast is the speed of light? A, 100,000 kilometers per second, B, 200,000 kilometers per second, or C, 300,000 kilometers per second. We'll have the answer for you after the break.
All right, bring it in. Listen up. GQE is coming up. This is serious. You cannot take this test lightly. You need it to graduate. You think you can't pass? I know you've got it in you. I can see it. It's there. It's right here. Give me the marker. First day of practice, 3 problems. We can do this, man. All right. First question. Flip him, GQE, man. Get him, Jordan. Go get him. Okay. Now, Jordan, here's the problem with this one. It says name this. That would be a triangle. You put circle, and you X'd it. Now, there's 2 problems with this. It's okay. This is a learning experience. That's what we're here for. Circle, you put an X. We bubble in, okay? Get the next one. We'll get the next one. Come on, man. This is only the first problem. We got plenty more to go. Number 2, GQE, man. Go ahead and flip him. Get him, Jordan. Get him. Yes. Now, Jordan, you're doing better because you got it right. 3 plus 7 does equal 10. Not 37, not -4, not 12. It equals 10. You checked it. You can't check it because we bubble in. Come on, let me see this. But all the way in, okay? No checking. We got one more question, okay? There's hope for you, man. I'm telling you. You can do this. This is what the practice is for. Flip it. Get him, Jordan.
This is a test.
What you're about to see is real footage of a kid that thought he was too cool to wear a seatbelt. Here we have Mr. Jacobs, a smart guy who didn't wear his seatbelt. So, Mr. Jacobs, how do you feel about not wearing your seatbelt now?
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad. Are you going to wear it from now on?
Yes, sir.
How about the injuries you got?
I got a concussion, broken tibia, ribs are tender.
You know what? You deserve that for not wearing your seatbelt. So what do you have to say to people out there that are watching this right now?
Wear your seatbelt or you're going to be end up like me.
There you have it, straight from Mr. Jacobs. Wear your seatbelt.
Good morning, I'm Danielle Slaughter with today's WJHS Sports. In football Friday night, Jeffersonville quarterback Terrence Johnson threw 4 touchdown passes for 93 yards in all and ran for another 117 as the host Red Devils overcame nearly 130 yards in penalties to beat Floyd Central 33-14. Johnson and sophomore Michael Miller connected for 3 touchdowns, 2, 14, and 8 yards. Johnson also hit sophomore Tony Moore for a 19-yard touchdown. Jeff senior Trey Burgess rushed 23 times for 195 yards, including a 19-yard touchdown run late in the game. The Red Devils improved to 2-3 on the season and 2-2 in the Hoosier Hill Conference. In girls golf at the Seymour Sectional, Jeff finished 8th as a team did not advance to regionals. Scoring for Jeff were Beloto 94, Yost 96, Chester 101, Prather 111, and Fuchsias at 113. In the annual Fall City Volleyball Invitational at New Albany, Jeff lost all 3 of its matches in its pool, falling to the Bulldogs as well as Oldham County 25-17, 23-15, 25-11, and Jasper 25-20, 16-25, 25-11. The Devils then fell in the 7th place match to Perry Central 25-19, 25-22. 24 team and 50th annual Trinity Invitational at EP Tom Sawyer State Park. The Jeffersonville boys finished 15th. Justin Worthington's 32nd finish in 16:55 led the Red Devils, who had 5 of its 7 runners achieve a personal best. In the girls event, Jeffersonville was the 19th out of 35 girls teams. The Red Devils' Molly Greninger had the best Jeff High finish, breaking 21 minutes. In boys tennis, the host Red Devils were 8th in 8 teams. Jefferson Boys Invitational in the #1 singles flight, Jeff's Jeremy Chester advanced to semifinals. In girls soccer, Jeff tops Bedford North Lawrence 2-1. The Red Devils got 2 goals from Kayla Lips in the HHC home victory over the Stars. In boys soccer, the Red Devils' Nick Carmichael scored a hat trick, 3 goals, in Jeff's 3-2 HC victory at Bedford North Lawrence. Here's today's sports schedule for Jeff High teams. The Jeff High JV football will travel to Floyd Central. Kickoff is at 7:30 p.m. The freshman football team is at Floyd Central. They start at 6 p.m. North Harrison visits Jeff in JV and varsity volleyball tonight at 6 p.m. The C volleyball team will host North Harrison at 6 p.m. and girls soccer will host Fort Knox at 5:30 p.m. And that's a look at sports.
Now, here's today's school lunch menu with Chef Nicholas Jacobs.
I'm Nick Jacobs with the school lunch menu today, and let's see what's cooking in the JHS cafeteria as we speak. Hot dog on bun, mashed potatoes, fruited juice, and of course, an ice cold milk.
Thanks, Chef. Now, here's the answer to today's Did You Know question. How fast is the speed of light? A, 100,000 kilometers per second, B, 200,000 kilometers per second, or C, 300,000 kilometers per second? The answer is C, 300,000 kilometers per second. Light travels at a constant finite speed of 186,000 miles or 300,000 kilometers a second. A traveler moving at the speed of light would circumnavigate the equator approximately 7.5 times in 1 second. That's the news for Josh Simpson. I'm Thomas Bonner. Thanks for watching the JHS Report. Oh yeah, and good luck on the GQE. That was nice.
So 7.5 times around the.
That's quick.
That's pretty fast.
Attention all students, if you have not returned your acceptable use agreement form to your English teacher, please do so before Friday. After Friday, internet privileges will be turned off for those students who have not returned this form.